Okay, hello, hello. So we are on DBA. So Digital Boss Academy. So I'm gonna tell you one thing. Before you start creating content, the first thing you need to do is basically brainstorming. It's very important for you to do brainstorm. I'm gonna show you. I've done a sample of brainstorming. Now you're gonna go to marketing this and do your personal buyer persona. So a buyer persona is basically like your ideal customers, those people that are ready to actually buy your product. So it's just like when anyway, we're gonna do the prompts, not today, but in this particular buyer persona, it teaches you about the prompt here in order for you to find your buyers at the moment, to find your buyers, and then you are good to go to start creating your content. So when you start talking or when you start having your hook and all those things, it actually give you a guideline, and in that guideline it gives you the age, gives you the name. So when you're creating your content, it looks like you're actually speaking to the person directly, and it connects with your target audience, your ideal customers, and boom, you've made your sales. I'm telling you guys, this is what I do, and it's what works for me. This is what I do, and it has really worked for me. So now, once you get the DBA, for those who are in my community, this is one of the things I teach you here as well. I'm going to show you in a bit. So we are going to digital product sales school, and then I'm going to go to classroom. So we're going to class. So find your profitable niche. This particular video is literally on DBA as well. Like this particular one, this one is on the beard. The only thing that is not there is this, which is the workbook. So if you click on the workbook, this is what is going to come out. This is how it's going to come out, right? This, and it's basically like brainstorming. So you're reflecting on your skills, the interests, and life experiences as well, and using ChatGPT's and next step, starting the conversation with ChatGPT to discover your niche, and then you evaluate it, answering your AI questions and all that. You validate it, and then you finalize your niche. Now, when you have all these things, I'm telling you, whenever you want to create your content, you don't have to struggle anymore. You don't have to think about your niche. Oh, what am I going to create today? Oh, what am I going to create tomorrow? Whatsoever. Because here is your notes where whenever you want to start something different, this is where you come to and you write whatever skills or hobbies or side projects, hobbies, or anything you've created, your planners, and so on and so forth, right? Now, I did this one today when I was doing my tutorial. This is my brainstorm. One sec. Okay, it's gonna. This is how it's gonna show on the doc anyway. So you can use another one. So this is what I've written. It says, think beyond traditional job roles. Consider life experiences, side hustles, and anything you enjoy helping others with. Don't worry if nothing specific comes to mind yet. AI will help dig deeper into these areas. What's now? This is what you're going to answer. What are some activities or tasks you enjoy doing in your free time? Hobbies, side projects, and creative activities. So, now, this is what I've written. I say creating content that converts, digital marketing, promoting DBA course and other affiliate courses, creating digital products and coaching, and teaching new slash beginners digital marketers to earn passive income from their niche and expertise. I also like designing POD products on Canva, such as t-shirts, mugs, clip art, wall art, and wall art. I also like generating AI images and mock-ups. Yeah. I didn't talk about prompts here. I need to write something about prompts as well. I'm gonna brainstorm. So the more you come here, so this is a first one, and this is a first step. The next step is what skills do you have that other people often ask you for help with? Yeah. So this one, and we are going to do that next time, okay? So for now, this is your assignment. I want you guys to go and brainstorm this. What are some activities or tasks you enjoy doing in your free time? Guys, you are a billionaire, a digital prompter billionaire. That is who you are, and always keep affirming it because consistency is key. And consistency is what brings that money that you are looking for. You're looking for what content that actually converts. Just start with this one. Before you start creating your content, do your brainstorming. Before you start selling any product, brainstorm. Before you start doing anything, brainstorm, right? So once you do this, we're gonna move to the next step. I've already created content about content creation, the prompts and all that. So go and use that. Just do some tweaking, do some changes, remove some things that you don't want there or whatsoever you want to do there. So guys, you don't just watch this video, try to implement it. Yes, try to implement it. So I'm gonna put this in the thing so that you can also do your brainstorm. So see ya.